early as hell. Today we got Rodrigo here because his motor blew. We gonna fix it. We gonna pull this motor and we gonna put a new one in. You can't really see it. Huh? Oh, there's a hole there. Yeah, you can't really see it, but believe me, there's a hole there. When we take it out, I'll show you guys. Man, I'm tired. It is now about, what time is it? Do you have a watch on you?
It doesn't work. 9:08.
It's 9:08. Before, when I came out here, it was 7, just 7 on the dot. So, now Alex is here. And he's already starting to work. Didn't even let his food settle. So, ooh. Yeah, you can see it now. Can you? No. Like I said, I'll show you guys when it comes out. But right now, we're going to disconnect all the wires. And, no? You're not going to disconnect all the wires?
The harness is coming out.
Huh?
The harness is coming out with it.
So the harness is coming out with it. That's what I meant by disconnecting the wires, you dum-dum. Because it separates in 2 pieces.
Mm-hmm. Story of our life. Or my life.
I hate those little rubber things that go over that.
I know.
They're always greasy and gross.
Yeah.
Kind of like your face.
Sometimes.
Okay, so we got the wiring harness situated. It's going to come out with the motor. We got the cables.
Close to the edge.
We got the cables disconnected. I got the axle nut off on both sides. So now we're just jacking it up from the traction bar, which is safe, by the way. Young Static does it all the time. Yo, mijo, that thing is about to fucking slip.
Mijo. Don't judge your book by its cover. Let's go. Hurry up.
Okay,
Put the jack test before it falls.
A little bit higher. Okay. Put yours on your side.
Motherfucker, I'm in charge of the jack only. Fuck.
Motherfucker, I'm doing half the work.
I'm doing all the lifting.
Jesus.
Are you dirty?
No, there's a bunch of dirt all over the place. Okay, so we got 2 of the axles out. One's right here. Take the axle. Dude, it is fucking... Is that gonna hit me? Okay. It is greasy up in here, boy. Oh, he has the collar on, I see. I hate dealing with the bitch pin. I hate it. I hate it so much. Give me something that'll work. Please?
Alright, fine.
If I'm gonna take out the bitch pin, I need something to... There's a piece of metal I missed. So yeah, now it's time to take out the bitch pin and then disconnect the exhaust. What the hell? This is like a DC exhaust bottom with like, yeah, DC exhaust bottom with the stock top. Weird. I think I might have a set of DC headers I could just give him. You know me, always giving people stuff. No, they give me is crap and attitude. What happened to the reverse light? What is it? Oh, my unibit. Maybe. Let me see. Why are you milking the hose?
To get all the air out.
The air?
The air. Milking the kettle, bro.
There's the hole. Jesus. I was telling Louise I had a hole in the block. You know what he tells me?
What?
I don't care. I'll take it. I was like, what the fuck do you want that for? You JB welded? That's a lot of JB weld. That's a lot of JB weld. That's like JB weld cure, JB weld cure, JB weld cure.
And then it won't even turn on. Boom.
He was like, fuck, dude, I don't know why it's not starting. Head ass. Look at the way this fucking thing came out. Man. If anybody knows anything about ES, they never want to come out properly. They don't want to come out straight. So this thing was like coming out like this. And we were like trying to figure out like, oh, what are we gonna do? So we tried to lower the car in order to get the motor out. Nope, that didn't work. So what I did was, I was like, Alex, pull it. He's like, pull it? I'm like, pull it. So I grabbed the transmission, I just, he's like laughing at me the entire time. What's the first thing I say to you when I pull it out?
Dragon Ball Z.
Dragon Ball Z, dude. I was like, when I was pulling it out. So, time to clean it, the engine bay. Okay, we got a lot of stuff done, and I'm gonna show you guys what we got done right now. So the motor is painted. We got the motor painted. Got the trans cleaned, trans painted. We got the valve cover repainted, and we got the engine bay painted and cleared. So yes, it was a rattle can paint job, and yes, it was expensive clear, but I mean, look at it. Look at how beautiful this looks right now. Other than those welds that I did not do, it looks really good. You're painting the back of the engine.
Yeah, bro.
Jesus.
Whoever doesn't know it, she's gonna see it.
So we got everything all ready to go. Valve cover looks minty, minty, minty. A lot better than what it did. I literally just painted over it because he has a haircut at 5 and it is 2:06 right now. So we got to get like huffing because he has a haircut at 5:30, right? 5:30. So we got to get hoofing it right now. Yeah. Probably gonna get copyright for this music.
That's why I want to say no.
It's okay, I'm just kidding.
Not for real though, I don't.
Alright, motor is ready. Got the chain on. It's good to go. Got this good to go.
Well, yeah, dude, because jerking your own wiener only gets you so far in life. But it feels good.
Alright, we got it mounted up.
It comes in handy, huh?
It's all mounted except for the T-bracket. That's the last thing we're going to do. Don't ask why we're doing a T-bracket last. It's just something that we do.
Give me 19, the long one. Long one.
Oh, damn it.
I'm gonna drop this in the motor. Nope.
You can do it, Kevin.
18, right?
Probably.
Exactly.
No, you fucking dodo bird.
What is it, 17?
You didn't grab a lighty?
No, I didn't, bud.
Chris, can I borrow your lighter, bud?
I'm always asking for shit.
You like that, baby?
Had to give him the NPC drip. And the wire strip separators.
Hey.
You can get that using the code LazyMan at the checkout. You can save yourself 10% off to your entire purchase on NPC. You guys can use it on any item on NPC's website, and you can use it every time you order something on NPC. So if you guys want to get one of those, LazyMan is the code at checkout. Another update on the motor. So Alex got the axles in. I'm doing detail because that's what he calls it. And I put this intake on because it looks a lot better than the black one. And I wrinkle painted this black, but for some reason it didn't want to wrinkle here. But whatever. What was that?
You gonna eat this?
No, go ahead.
I saved it for you.
No, go ahead. You're good.
Getting food, that's right.
No, I'm not. I'm not getting food. I'm not getting food. I'm not getting food.
Did you see that?
No.
I like this.
Everything's all put together. Time for the rims to go back on, and then it's then we got to lower the car and Then we got to lower the car and then start it and see if it runs. So
I don't know.
cross my fingers.
What?
Cross my fingers. Yeah, cross your fingers.
Lazymangarage.
First crank. Nice. Of course, that check engine light's always been there because whoever owned the car previously, you have to put this kill switch in here in order for it to work. It's weird, but car starts. So that's good. Time to bleed it.
There's like no resistance when it's turned on.
Oh yeah, it's instant. Lowering the idle just a little bit. how you feel. Just gonna throw my tools in the floor. Idle's gonna be fucking high because it's cold start. Now Rodrigo has no idea that we painted his motor, we painted the heat shield for him, we painted his trans, and we cleared the engine bay. He thought we were just going to paint the engine bay and just leave it at that, but nah, we cleared it. So I'm going to film his reaction when he gets here. We're going to close the hood, and we're going to tell him to pop the hood and take a look at the motor, and you're going to see a genuine reaction from him because he has no idea. Rodrigo, if you're watching this video, we love you, and this is why we did it for you. You've been going through a lot of stuff, and this is to show you that you're not alone and your friends care about you. So, yeah, you guys enjoy the reaction when he comes over. He'll be here about an hour, maybe 30 minutes. So there's good news and there's bad news. Come on. There's good news and bad news. Rodriguez is going to see the good news. Then we're going to give him the bad news.
Oh, man.
So, first, good news, pop the hood.
What's up, dog?
God damn. Let me let the light hit.
Shiny. It's all nice. Brand new, bro.
God damn, bro.
Yeah, you haven't seen it since, huh?
No.
That thing looks nice.
Nice.
Alright, just hit me with the bad news.
And where'd you get this motor from?
What?
Where'd you get this motor from?
Where'd you get it?
I forgot his name, honestly.
Did you pay for it?
Yeah.
How much?
I believe 200, 300.
I'll tell him. Do you want me to tell him or you?
Will you tell him?
Rod knock.
Back?
Bad. Rod knock.
Bad bearings at the bottom.
Bad bearings at the bottom, dude. That's the bad news.
I don't. That was fine. It's only when you accelerate.
Fuck.
Because we were fine.
I honestly don't remember what he had said about it. Like,
But your engine bay looks fucking. Hey, looks nice.
It
Brand
looks
new.
nice, but it's
Spanking
bad.
new.
Yeah, like there's no leaks.
Fuck it.
It idles beautiful.
It's been a long and stressful day. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure you guys smack that like button. Please make sure you guys subscribe. If you guys would like anything from MPC, use the link down below. Save yourself 10% off. If you guys would like to buy anything from PLM, the code is also down below. Save yourself 10% off. If you guys would like to build your motor, head on over to SB Machine Shop. That's Rico from Del Sol Society.
If you guys would like to see Del Sols, follow me. What should I plug, bro? I'm too high right now.
Beerus the fucking god.
Well, I was thinking like, should I do Instagram or YouTube? But I don't do YouTube anymore.
You should have.
We will.
But if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to smack the like button. My name is Chris from Lazymangarage, and I'm lazy, so you don't have to be. Peace.